What's up, crypto family? In this video I want to show you how to use Solflare Solana Snap, which is a MetaMask wallet extension that allows you to actually access the Solana blockchain using your MetaMask wallet. So this Solana Snap is effectively something that kind of functions as an extension for MetaMask wallets and does introduce Solana specific functionalities. And while MetaMask is primarily designed for Ethereum, it's also associated with other networks. So installing the Solana Snap just enables you as a user to hold Sol or manage Solana tokens, NFTs, and also engage Solana's dynamic ecosystem of applications. So what I'm going to be doing today is actually show you step by step how to use the Snap, and you'll be able to use Solana with your MetaMask. If you like the kind of content that I bring on this channel, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and always head on over to our main site, decentralized.news. There's also a link in the description to this step-by-step tutorial, so you can read through that if that helps you to navigate the actual step-by-step process a lot easier. Also check out the links to some of my favorite platforms, etc., all in the description. Let's get into how we can install this Solana Snap and start using that MetaMask on the Solana blockchain. First, let's talk about how the Solana Snap actually works. So snaps are effectively open source extensions that are crafted to securely enhance MetaMask's functionalities, enabling the creation of new Web3 user experiences. So a snap is a JavaScript program that runs in an isolated environment, tailoring the wallet experience. And also the Solana Snap specifically introduces Solana-focused features such as key derivation, encoding, and also transaction signing according to Solana's standards. So you have to activate the Solana Snap. You need to follow a simple set of steps. First, you should visit Solflare's MetaMask landing page or connect to MetaMask via any Solana decentralized application. So this will prompt the installation of the Snap as a plugin to an extension or an existing MetaMask wallet. So you have to obviously have MetaMask first of all. So once you've activated, MetaMask will actually be equipped to interact with the Solana blockchain, enabling you to bridge EVM access to native Sol and explore all that Solana has to offer. And the Solana Snap itself is free to use, while it seamlessly integrates Solana features into MetaMask wallets. Users also need to cover the minimal Solana network fees for blockchain transactions. So those who are seeking a native Solana experience without the intermediary step of signing through MetaMask, Solflare provides an optimal user experience by importing your MetaMask recovery phrase into Solana extension or mobile app. You can actually directly access the same wallets that they use with the Solana Snap itself. So this actually ensures also a smooth transition and also enhances your Solana experience. Alternatively, you can create a new recovery phrase within Solflare if you prefer to start anew. So to install, read the terms and conditions and just accept if you agree. And then obviously to connect to with the installation, you need to make sure you connect, and then you can proceed to install. And once that installation is completed, you'll be able to start actually using your Solana wallet. And now you can then set up your wallet, and you can bookmark Solflare. So it's obviously in your bookmarks, and it'll be a portal that will help you access your Solana assets via MetaMask easily. So now you're all set, and you can then continue to actually fund Solflare using, if you want to use fiat currencies, you can use on-ramper. So that is what they use. So that means you've got 200 payment methods there: cards, bank transfers, Google Pay, Apple Pay, etc. Or you can just transfer Solana tokens from another wallet, which is what I'll be doing here. Well, I'm just going to transfer some Solana from Solflare directly to the Solana Snap MetaMask extension. And then now that I have the funds available via MetaMask, I'm able to then integrate smoothly with the Solana ecosystem, facilitating storage of Sol and other Solana-based assets as well. So this extension actually eliminates the necessity for multiple wallets that allow you to benefit from the Solana's rapid transaction speeds that they offer, low cost, and also an extensive array of assets and applications, all within this trusted MetaMask environment. So now let me just give you a step-by-step process again of how to actually swap with the Solflare on Jupiter Exchange, because that's what they use. So you just need to go to the trade tab on the Solana, or the Solflare interface rather, and then you choose which assets you wish to swap, and then from there you'll be able to sign the transaction, approve to confirm that transaction, and then all your swap information will be visible on the dashboard as well. And you can also verify all of that on the Sol Scan, which is the Solana Block Explorer, or in this case here, it's Solana FM. So that's pretty much how you would use MetaMask to access your Solana blockchain, and it's a very simple process. Make sure you check out the link which is down below, which actually just shows you step by step with all the screenshots how you can do this for yourself. It's a very simple process. If you also want to know how to bridge assets to Solana, use the bridge, which is a really cool bridge, and you can actually earn points as well that may be converted into a token at some point. So that would be a cool airdrop. So make sure you check that out. I also did a previous review of the bridge. Let me know what you guys would like to see on this channel going forward. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description. Head on over to our main site, get the best cryptocurrency exchange reviews, DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, anything and everything that you'd like to learn about crypto. It's all available there for you. If you want to join my mentorship, make sure you go to defi-decoded.online and then simply fill a form. I'll be able to hit you up and then we can work together. Or also you can get a free download of my book. Rather, if you want to just go at it on your own, it's a comprehensive free download. It's at defi-millionaire.com. It's also linked down below. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next piece.